Welcome to our guide on how to use PayPal with your Capitec account. Today, we'll explore how these two services can work together to make your financial life easier. Let's start by setting up your Capitec account. If you don't have one yet, we'll guide you through the simple registration process. Next, we'll create your PayPal account. Follow these steps to register and complete the verification process. Now, let's link your Capitec account to PayPal. Here's how to do it step by step. Understanding how to manage your PayPal balance is essential. Here's how to transfer funds back and forth, including any applicable fees. Let's see how to make purchases using your PayPal account funded by your Capitec account. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth checkout. If you need to withdraw funds from PayPal back to your Capitec account, here's how to do it efficiently. Sometimes issues arise. Here are solutions to some frequent problems you might encounter when linking or using PayPal with Capitec. Keeping your accounts secure is crucial. Here are some best practices to protect your PayPal and Capitec accounts. In conclusion, we've covered how to effectively use PayPal with your Capitec account. We encourage you to utilize these services for your transactions.